Stop juggling a dozen tools and start orchestrating your creative vision with unparalleled ease. Today, we're diving into Higgsfield Minimax, the revolutionary platform designed to transform your entire creative process. Forget the chaos. Higgsfield Minimax is here to bring order, efficiency, and a serious boost to your productivity. Let's explore how. First, let's talk project management. Higgsfield Minimax provides an intuitive, visual dashboard where you can map out your entire project from concept to completion, break down large tasks into manageable steps, assign deadlines, and collaborate seamlessly with your team. See at a glance where your project stands, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks and every milestone is hit with precision. But it's not just about management, it's about optimizing your creation itself. Higgsfield Minimax integrates powerful features to streamline your content generation. Imagine having your asset library intelligently organized and easily accessible, allowing you to pull the exact visual or audio element you need in seconds. Utilize pre-built templates or customize your own to rapidly prototype and produce polished content. Maximizing efficiency means cutting down on repetitive tasks. And that's where Higgsfield Minimax truly shines. With integrated automation for tasks like asset versioning, feedback loops, and even initial content formatting, you'll reclaim hours spent on administrative work. This frees you up to focus on what truly matters, bringing your unique creative ideas to life. By centralizing your workflow, simplifying management, and automating the mundane, Higgsfield Minimax empowers you to achieve more with less effort. It's time to unlock your full creative potential and elevate your content creation to a whole new level. Discover the power of organized brilliance with Higgsfield Minimax.